My people, how are you today? So I just thought to bring this out at this time. You know it is rich fruitcake season, right? So this is the perfect time for you to see how I achieve mine. There are a whole lot of techniques and processes out there, but this is my foolproof technique with steps and techniques and tricks that I invented with my full chest being in active usage in this video. If you see it, let me know in the comment box. But trust me, this is the best rich fruit cake you can ever taste. It is so rich and it is so nicely textured. Can you see for yourself? See guys, this cake is the truth. It is the best fluffy coconut cake you can ever taste. I'm not telling you lies because this is tried and tested, and for me, I'm going to be giving myself even 200%. So that is to show you how you have to try it out for you to be convinced at how good it is. Look at how so rich it is, and guys, check out the results, man.